We haven't trekked a mountain for many years, and we decided why not start trekking again. Obviously, we chose an easier mountain that we can trek for about an hour or two, since we don't want to overwhelm ourselves. This was just a day trek, so we didn't really pack up a lot of stuff. We had our first stop after about 30 minutes of our hike at this spot, which was really beautiful. I'm really glad to have this trip with my wife, cousin, and his girlfriend.
Kuha ni lapok juga yo. Nagoy na stack up diri nga multicab. Yang dan murag kanira guro ang dan ay.
Wala na kuan sa babaw.
Dili na siya ingani.
Buk no murag ang dan no murag kanira. Di siya na ni kalapat sa unog.
Dito.
Oh, taho. Tingnan mo miskin lakaw.
Kang nan ka? Nipalit po to sila nimo. 20.
Maybe.
Nostalgic.
So we came from there all the way down there. Whew. Let's go. Wait, how are you? So after 2 hours, we have finally arrived, and just look at this stunning view. What's kind of funny is what inspired us to go and do outdoors activities again was because we watched Black Mirror on Netflix, and pretty much gave us a different perspective in life. You know, why not live your life outdoors? I mean, look at this view. It's amazing how we get caught up with work and life that we sometimes forget the meaning of life itself. So now, my cousin is setting up the roof to keep us from getting burned or rained on. Obviously, my trekking shoes broke since I haven't used this in a while. then made our lunch and just enjoyed the rest of our day. And I think we're probably gonna be doing this more often.